What are good manners? Help Bimmy and Charlie to sort books out and put them on the shelves. Amazing job! Great job! That's great! Well done! You did it! Amazing job! Great job! That's great! Well done! You did it! There you go. Now everything is sorted.
Have you washed your hands?
No?
Help Bimmy to prepare the basket for a picnic. Fabulous! How beautiful! Looks great! Fabulous! How beautiful! Well done! Now they're all ready to go on a picnic.
Charlie, would you please pass me a cookie? Thank you. Bimmy, would you please pour me some tea? Here you go, Charlie. Thank you, Bimmy. It's delicious. You're welcome.
Thank you.